This is how to play You Are Holy My Lord. I don't know the original key of the song, but in this video I'll be showing you guys how to play the song using the key of C sharp and also the key of G sharp. Okay, so without any waste of time, let's jump straight to it. I'm gonna start first by singing this song to you guys, and then I'll break it down after. We're gonna start with the key of G sharp, okay, which is this one. Okay, so our song says, You are holy, my Lord. You are holy. 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 Okay, so let's break it down. It's quite easy. We're gonna start first with our right hand. So on the right, it starts right on this chord. Okay, so please pause the video and watch the chords closely. There's our first chord. From this chord, it comes here. From this one, it comes here. Okay, this is where the song says, You are holy, my Lord. And then from here, you're gonna introduce the chords. Okay, the chord, I mean. Sorry. So from this chord, you're gonna play this chord. Okay. And then from this chord, you go back to this one, and then you come to this one. Right? It says, You are holy, my Lord. You repeat this one. You are holy. Okay? I hope you understand. So, from this one, you're gonna repeat this one, and then we're gonna move forward. You are holy, my Lord, and then we introduce a new chord. So from this chord, we're gonna go to this one, and then we're gonna go back again. Right? I hope you understand it. So from this one, you're gonna move from this one, come to this one, go to this one, and then introduce another new chord, which is this one. And then you go back to, okay? Let me play it again for the last time from the beginning. You are holy, my Lord. From here, you are holy. Repeat this one and go forward. You are holy, my Lord. And then, you are holy. Repeat this one and go forward. You are holy, my Lord. From here, you are holy. Okay? I hope you can see it. So from this chord, you're gonna come here to C sharp major chord. Okay? From C sharp major chord, you come to the second chord. Remember I said at the beginning of the video that this is our first chord, this is our second chord, this is our third chord. Okay? So from this chord, you're gonna come to C sharp major, and then you're gonna go to number, our second chord, and then our third chord. Right? Our second chord again, our third chord again, our second chord again, and then you close it right on this chord. Okay, let me sing it so that you can understand it. It says, You are holy, my Lord. And then, you are holy. It's quite easy, okay? So we're gonna introduce the left. Okay, we're gonna introduce the left. So when you move from first chord, second chord, third chord, on the left, you're gonna move from F G, G sharp. Okay, you want to say F, G, G sharp, or you can say 6, 7, 1. Because remember, on the key of G sharp, we have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is number 6. And then 7, 1. And then it repeats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay? So you're gonna say 6, 7, 1 on the left. Okay? From here, you're gonna, when you repeat the chord on the right, you also repeat the bass on the left. Okay? You're gonna say 6, 7, 1, and then 1, 2, 1, 5, and then 5, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, and then from here you're gonna do something different. Okay, you're gonna say 1, 2, 3, and then go to 1. You say 1, and then you stay there. Pa, 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 pa. Okay, when you play this chord for the second time, you play number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you play number 4. Okay, I don't want to confuse you. Let me repeat it again. 6, 7, 1. Okay, and then 1, 2, 1, and 5. From here, 5, 1, 2, and 3, 2, 2, and 1. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, and we'll go back to 1, and then pa, pa, pa. Okay, from here, when you play this chord, and then you're gonna play this one for the 2 times. Okay, you're gonna play this one 2 times. When you play it for the second time, you go to number 4. You're gonna say pa, 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 pa. Go to number 1, pa, and then pa, 1, 2, and then you come here. And then on the left you go. When you play this one, on the left you go to, you come to number 2. Right? Let me repeat it again. Pa, pa, pa. Number 1, 1, and then pa, 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 and then you come here. Pa, pa, pa. You play number 5, and then you stay there until you say pa, 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 and then you close the song. You just come here. It's number 1 from the top. Okay, pa, pa, pa. Okay, again, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 1. From here, 1, 2, 1, 5, right? 5, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Pa, pa, 4. And 2. Pa, and you come here. Number 5. Okay, sorry. Let me repeat it again. This is number 1, 2, 3, and then 1, pa, pa, 4, 2, 5. You stay there until you close I think we are done with the key of G sharp, so we're gonna move to the key of C sharp. Okay, so we're gonna start with the right hand. So on C sharp it starts right here. Okay, on this chord, pause the video and watch the chord closely. From this chord it comes to this chord. From this chord it comes to this chord. This is where it says, "You are holy, my Lord." Remember, from here we introduce a new key. You are, which is this one, and then you go back to these two chords. Okay, and then from here we go up. Ba, ba, ba. We introduce a new chord, which is this one. Okay, let's start from the beginning. You are holy, my Lord. You are holy. And then from here, you go forward. You repeat this one, and then you go forward. You are holy, my Lord. From this chord, you introduce a new chord, which is this one. And then you go back to the last two chords. Okay? I hope it makes sense. It's you are holy, my Lord. You are holy. From here, you are holy, my Lord. And then you are holy. And then from here, you repeat this chord and then you go forward. Okay? You are holy, my Lord. You introduce a new chord, which is this one. And then go back to the last two chords. You are holy. Right? So from here, you come here. You are holy, my Lord. Okay? You come to this chord. And then you just move a semitone higher on this button. You come here. Okay? It's you are, and then you come to holy, my Lord. From here, you say you are holy. Okay? For the last time, you are holy, my Lord. You are holy. You are holy, my Lord. You are holy. And then you are holy, my Lord. And you are holy. From here, you come here. You are holy, my Lord. And you are holy. So you're gonna introduce the left, okay? So you're gonna say 6, 7, 1. Remember, on the major scale of the key of C sharp, we have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay? So if you want to know these things, you can just join our private community. The fee is 1,500 rand. You can just send me a WhatsApp. Here's my WhatsApp number up there. Just send me a message to get all the details. Okay? So you wanna say 6, 7, 1. 1, 2, 1, and 5. From here, 5, 1, 2, and then 3, 2, 2, and 1. Forward, 1, 2, 3, and then 1. You stay there, 5. Sorry, 4, right? Let me repeat it again. 1, 2, 3. Go back to 1, and then 4 and 2, 5 You stay there until you complete all the chords. Until you complete all the last chords. Okay? Let me play it for the last time.